Hi guys, welcome to Gems and Jewels. For this video, I would like to share with you some vase ideas from materials at the Dollar Tree. These are bigger bowls, and my living room, I have a Chanel theme, so that's what I utilized. I just put it there. Just give you an idea if you wanted to go with a theme. My next video, I'm gonna upload that and show you how I did this, but if you don't want to do the logo, you don't have to. These are just some quick, cheap, easy ideas if you want to incorporate any chrome into your decor. So this is a centerpiece I stuck on top of my fireplace. And then I made two small ones I stuck on my table in my living room. And then if we walk into my dining room, these are actually ice buckets that I utilize for vases. Excuse my mess on the left-hand side. I'm organizing my books and my bookshelf just came in, so it's a bit cluttered on my counter. In the back there where the Chanel wall arts thing is, there's two more buckets. I haven't put flowers in there yet. These are the larger Dollar Tree bowls. So I just put one upside down. I used Gorilla Glue as well as Gorilla Hot Glue. Glued them together. Put the one on the upside down, the other one right side up. And then I took one of the foam balls and I took white and black roses to stick in there and just hot glued those on. So everything I used is in the description box for this project. I hope that you guys enjoyed this project. If you want to get in touch with me, gemsjewelsdiy@gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to hear from you soon, and I will be putting out this other video relatively quickly. Thank you very much for watching. If you're not subscribed, please do not forget to subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. Have a fabulous week. Thank you. Bye.